Even the smallest of environmental projects consist of hundreds, if not thousands, of details and data points. Large projects could be into the tens of thousands of data points and, over time, could even reach into the millions. Details such as when is the sampling scheduled? Which locations are to be sampled? What are we testing for? What labs are we using? Did we order the sample bottles? Lots of details, and all of them important to the success of the project, and all of them requiring human action. On top of that, developing a comprehensive report on every detail and every data point also costs you money. The problem with most environmental projects, both large and small, is that they're still managing projects and collecting information the way they did 30 years ago. They're still scheduling and tracking project details in Excel, and they're still writing down data on paper forms. They're still filling out sample bottle labels and laboratory instructions and chain of custody by hand. Then all of that information is then manually entered back at the office. On top of that, nearly all environmental reports produced are generated manually on a time and materials billed by the hour basis using Microsoft, Excel, AutoCAD, and GIS products. Industry-wide, this equates to over $20 billion spent annually on sample collection, data entry, and report preparation techniques that were developed back in the 80s. Our solution to this inefficient build by the hour methodology is an application that ties together all the different users under one platform. This web-based project management tool saves time on scheduling and communication. The mobile field app increases accuracy and saves roughly 20% of the field technician's time by allowing them to print barcoded sample bottle labels in the field at the time of sampling. For the lab, the barcoded labels coupled with the electronic chain of custody saves time on data entry and completely eliminates transcription errors. When all the laboratory analysis is complete, reports can be generated within seconds. Data box maps, groundwater contour maps, isochemical contour maps, graphs, and data tables, all generated in seconds at about 10 to 20% of your current costs. And the best part is you control and maintain all your data. The key to our technology is the way we manage data. Our software communicates with the project manager's sampling plan clearly and concisely. Field data is entered in the field with our free mobile app. All relevant field data is transferred seamlessly to the cloud platform, and barcoded sample bottle labels are printed in the field at the time of sampling. Once lab analysis is complete, lab data is transmitted back to the platform and the user is notified. Simple Excel tables are delivered at no charge. For paying customers, they are able to easily generate custom infographic reports themselves for a fraction of the cost of the old billable hour report methods. Comparison tables, graphs, data box maps, groundwater contour maps, and isochemical contour maps are all delivered within seconds. Environmental science is basically a complex combination of science, math, and regulations. It's a series of formulas and algorithms fit inside a regulatory framework. Once we have all the field and lab data for a site, other products and services can be built on top of this platform and offered for use by customers. A few of the other products and services that are planned for the future follow. If you know the hydraulic connectivity, the groundwater flow direction and gradient, chemical concentrations, and other lithology and geochemistry inputs, you have all the information needed to do predictive analysis, commonly called fate and transport modeling. It's basically asking, where will the contamination be in 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now? Having the ability to visualize different soil types and layers and how they interact and affect contaminant migration can aid in the quicker understanding of site dynamics. This product can be generated from already existing data. The time, effort, and billable hours needed to complete a typical report can be completely eliminated. Simply set your preferences for what you would like to see in a report, things like date ranges, specific images, and other details you want in your report, and then within seconds of your lab data being completed, your report will be automatically generated without any billable hours and emailed to you ready for your review. This can be particularly useful during phase 2 assessments, commonly associated with commercial real estate transactions, when time is of the essence. If you are interested in a free trial of our software, you can email or call or simply visit the website at SampleServe.com. Thank you.